Okay, it's time to assemble this new hummingbird cake. I just had scraps and I put it all together and I just can't stop smiling. I'm so happy about this cake. I am in love with the pineapple curd. I put it on toast this morning with mascarpone and some nuts, and it was just heavenly, absolutely heavenly. The layers are just moist and flavorful. I did some candied nuts that we'll put on the entire outside of the cake to get the crunch. Rather than putting it on top of the lemon curd, we're gonna put it on the outside, and then we've got a great cream cheese frosting. I think you're gonna love, 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 love this cake. I'm excited for you to try it because I think most people have never made a hummingbird cake. It is a Southern traditional cake. Just embrace it and love it, and it can just be a cake for all. So let me zoom in. I'll show you everything I'm doing here as we assemble, and then I can't wait to actually get a full slice of this in my belly. So I'm gonna hustle.